Hi and welcome to Nick Well Motorhomes on a lovely, damp, dreary morning. Now, Mia and I have just managed to get out here between the rainstorms, so we're going to try and spend as little time outside here as possible for two reasons. One, it'll probably start to rain again very soon, and the other one is it's pretty cold. But we have a Carado T338 Pro Plus here. Now, it's a 2025, a late 2025 model. It's done just over 600 miles. It's an automatic, it's got 4 berths, it's got 4 travel seats. It is just a smidging under 7 metres, it's 6.95 and it's 2.35 metres wide. It's a lovely van, so let's have a look around it and you can see for yourself. So as you can see, it's got alloy wheels and it's got the new Fiat Series 2 cab. Nice big skylights up on the roof you'll find as well. Again, the alloy wheel, flush fitting windows, which is nice. We've got the flue for your heating just here, water fill just there, and we've got a large garage. And again, you've got access from both sides, storage in here, and you've got your tie downs over there, and of course a light as well. As we come round, again, access on this side, slightly larger door with less of a lip. There's practically no lip on this side, which is nice. And yeah, just there we have a 230-volt socket. So you've got electric coming into your garage as well. Got your gas locker just there, electric hookup points, cassette toilet. We have an awning light, and an electric step into the habitation area. What more do you want? But I know what I want to do. I want to get inside before it starts to rain. So let's go in. Okay, now I've said it's 4 berth, 4 travel, and really it is. Technically, you could drop this table down and you could make this into a 5th berth, but you can only travel with 4 people. So it works very, very well as a 4 berth, 4 travel. Obviously, both captain seats swivel and they are all height adjustable, so you don't have your legs dangling like I've got mine at the moment. In the cab itself, we have a media centre. As I said, it's the automatic gearbox. We've got traction plus, we've got hill descent, we've got steering wheel controls, electric mirrors, electric windows, 4 Remis cab blinds. Space for 2 large cups of coffee just there. Of course, we've got air conditioning. It's got all the things you would expect and want in a motorhome. Lovely dinette. The material's very light, it's very airy, so it gives you a feeling of space in here. And we get a lot of natural light as well, which is a godsend in any motorhome. Now, like I say, that can drop down if needs be, but we don't need to. Now, it's got 4 berths, as I said. You've got the 2 singles at the back, which you can make into a larger transverse double, which we'll see in a moment, but you've also got the drop down in the roof just here, which is very easy to do. So I'm going to swap places with Mia. Now, before I do go on, just to let you know that these have got Isofix on the passenger seats as well, just on these. So again, if you have got children, it's good news. We have storage that drops down with the bed. And the bed is very simple to do. There is literally a catch just here, and you just click it over to one side and down you pull. Now you see there's good space up here. You've got headroom, and you've also got a skylight above as well, so you get more natural light. You've also got a light up there, so you have a reading light of an evening. Underneath the mattress, you've got your nets as well, which will lock into the roof to stop you from rolling out if you've had too many, which we don't want you doing. And then you just push the clip, slide it back up, and it's all assisted. It's very, very easy to do. Over here, we have your 12-volt control panel, and we have a TV bracket just there as well. You would need an aerial on, or again, Wi-Fi, depending on what route you're going down. Heating, just here. Now that's a gas and electric system. So again, if you're wild camping, you can run it on your gas, run it on electric when you're plugged into the mains. You can use both when you're plugged into the mains if it's very cold and you want to get up to heat very quickly as well. Nice large 3-way fridge freezer here with an auto function. So you've got your separate freezer compartment on top and a really good sized fridge underneath. There's a lot of natural space in here, and like I say, we are under 7 meters, so it's a really good use. And what you don't find with a lot of Continental vans, of course, is an oven grill, which is just here. You have your heat shield here. Now, usually if you watched any of my videos before, I'm saying push that back in because you'll catch it on your trousers. The one advantage with this one actually is because you've got the L shape just here, it'd be very difficult to catch yourself on that, so you don't have to worry about it so much. Gas isolators just here, another 230 volts just there, and of course we have a 12 volts just there as well. Sink with your mixer tap, and then we've got 2 gas hobs just on top. Now the bathroom is a very clever design because again we are talking still quite compact, under 7 meters. So what you've got when you come inside is you've got your wash basin just here, you've got storage over on this side, storage above, and of course your cassette does move around in all directions so you can get to the most comfortable position. And more storage just in here. The clever part is that we can take this partition around, that will just clip over onto there. Now we have a separate shower cubicle, so we're not getting everything over there wet. It's just a great use of space. And again, I'm not the tallest, as we've said before, but you can see you can actually have a proper shower in here. And having the skylight means condensation and things come out very, very easily. So you're not getting them all getting nasty and having to wipe everything down with towels all the time. Talking about towels, we have a hook there for coats and towels as well, so they can drip dry straight down into your wastewater tank. And of course, more towel racks just on the side there. It is a very, very good use of the space available. Then we have storage locker just in this side. More on this side, and we also have your trips just in there as well. And then we have your bed. Now, as I said, it's 2 singles. You can see there is headroom above, so you can sit up in the bed. We've got storage to either side. We've got more storage lockers at the back as well. And of course, we have a reading light either side. The mattresses are really nice and thick, and you can see that it's slatted under there as well. There's your ladder, by the way, for the bed. Yeah, it works very, very well. If we do want to make this into a transverse, again, it's very, very easy. All we do is slide this piece out just there. We have the infill cushion just here. Well, it doesn't really get any quicker than that, does it? So there you have it. The Carado T338 Pro Plus. Like I say, it's a late 2025. It's done just a tad over 600 miles. It's practically a brand new vehicle, really. So, hope you've enjoyed watching the video. Thank you very much, and look forward to speaking to you soon. Bye-bye.